Hey, how's it going, everyone? I've got this Pyramid Patio Heater here for an unboxing and review. I've just pulled everything out of the box and laid the parts all out. And I'm just going to be following along with the directions on assembling this thing. And the first step was to get the base put together and then get these 4 poles. Part of that is getting these 4 poles with these L brackets screwed into the bottom. It's just 1 L bracket and 1 screw, so you do the same thing. Comes with the Phillips screwdriver as well. There's a look at all 4 of them installed. Super easy step. There's the base itself.
Go ahead and use B.
And here's the parts that we're
C.
going to be using for it. A look at them. We're just going to screw the wheels into it. Right now we're screwing the 4 holes on the bottom there. Just takes a couple screws on the inside, put all 4 of them on. Now we're just screwing in the propane bottle holder. Now we're installing the center console piece. This is the piece with the igniter and the gas control knob on it. And it just screws right into the side with some piece F screws. Now we're just installing the upper set of legs, and it slides down over the brackets on the bottom and just secures to the side with some set screws as well. There's the first one going in. We'll do all 4. Each one takes 2 screws. All right, there's a look at it, just finishing up the upper legs. Got the screws in below. Now it's time to put on that top assembly. And the upper portion of the legs just screw right into the side of it. It's got 2 per leg. Now we're just screwing in the 3 fasteners. It's a stud and a washer that all 3 of them go into the top of that piece. That way we can put on our cap there. And I use some lint-free gloves to kind of keep the thing from getting fingerprinted. And there's the wing nuts that go over it. I'm just cranking those down all the way. Now for installation of the glass tube. Again, wearing the gloves, put the gasket on the bottom, then you slide the top up into there first, and then the bottom just sets on the base. Now these side pieces there, they just kind of hang in there. There's 3 sets of hooks, 1 on each side. It just hooks into there and sets down on there. Here's the sheet metal side panels that are going on. Now there's 3 of them that are the same, and then 1's different. The one that's different has the logo on the front. That's going to be your door opener. I ended up just grabbing my cordless for this step. That way I can slap those screws in easier. Now here's the chain and the knob that's going to go on that front piece. This is the one piece that doesn't look like the others. Put the knob on there and the chain as well as part of that knob assembly. The other end of that chain is going to hook to the base itself. This thing just slides right down on there, and it closes magnetically and is also it's held with that chain. Now the positive side of that battery's out for our igniter, and just top screws right on there. Now here it is. This thing is really cool. That flame goes all the way up to the top and reflects off the top too. Can't wait to see this thing at night. Now that panel just magnetically shuts there as well, and is held open by the chain. Okay, now to light this thing, you want to make sure your gas is on down there. So crank that all the way to the left, and then take this arrow and put it right to that lightning sign. Push it in like that, and hold it in, and then push this. So you just hold that in right there and push that. Now you can see the pilot light is going. Now keep your thumb on that for about 30 seconds, and that'll stabilize that flame right there. After you've let that go and the flame's still going, that's your pilot light. Now you can come down here and turn it all the way up. This thing's really cool. And then you can go ahead and shut this. It's just magnetic. I was very happy with this product. It was really easy to put together. The directions in here were great, easy to follow. Really happy with this as far as the heat it puts off and the light it puts off. This is going to be great for get-togethers and parties, and just staying warm and enjoying the outdoors.